Like, subscribe, and get notified.
After Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party leader Arvind Kejriwal was arrested by the ED on Thursday in a money laundering case related to the excise policy, Aam Aadmi Party workers in Madgaon staged protests against the BJP government. AAP leaders say that the BJP has deliberately taken this action to deprive Kejriwal from campaigning for the Lok Sabha elections and to divert the attention of the voters from the electoral bond issue.
आज अरविंद केजरीवाल प्रत्येक स्टेटाक वचपाक म्हूण so that he doesn't enter every state, campaign and show what is the inner truth, how people are suffering. हे तो दाखयतलो म्हूण आज ताका लास्ट मोमेंट थोडे दीस इलेक्शन आहाय म्हणल्यार जस्ट अराउंड 30-35 days बिफोर आज ताका अरेस्ट केल्लो आनी हे अरेस्ट करून आज देशभर लोकांक आज ही मेसेज क्लियर जाल्ली आहा, द सप्रेशन ऑफ द वॉइस ऑफ द डेमोक्रेसी.
ED is extended department of BJP. ED is no longer Enforcement Directorate. भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे extended department म्हणून ED झाल्या. आम्ही पळयला ह्या आज जेन्ना बॉन्ड्स आयले, इलेक्ट्रल बॉन्ड्साचो डेटा भायर आयलो, खुबशे लोक सायलंट, मिडियाय सायलंट आशिल्ले, नॅशनल मिडिया जे आसा ते, आणि सडनली वी रियलायज दॅट देर आर लॉट ऑफ डोनेशन्स वीच BJP has got from dubious accounts, from accounts which are raided by ED, IT, CBI, आणि सडनली तांणी BJPक डोनेशनां दिल्या. हे लोकांक कळटा एक वेगळें वळण दिवपाक ह्या विशयाक आनी ताजेर शांती दवरपाक प्रॉब्ली आज BJPन आम आदमी पार्टीच्या आमच्या लिडराक काल अरेस्ट केलो.
But BJP leaders say that Aam Aadmi Party's allegations are baseless and Kejriwal's arrest was not sudden or with the Lok Sabha elections in mind. Despite being summoned 9 times in the liquor scam case, he did not respond. That is why he was arrested after taking permission from the court.
ते स्कॅम केला म्हणून तर तुजेर तो आरोप आसा न्ही, आनी त्यामुळे तूं जर सामकोच तुजेर कांय ना अशें तुका दिशिल्लें जाल्यार तूं वचूं जाय आसलें न्ही, यू टू प्रूव युअर सेल्फ की आपल्याचेर उगीच आरोप केला तेणें प्रूव करपाक जाता आशिल्लें. आनी त्यामुळे उगीच BJP हाचेर तेचेर घालून कांय अर्थ ना. आनी त्यामुळे जी गोश्ट जाल्ली आसा ती योग्य कारवाई जाल्ली आसा. हातूंतल्यान एक दिसून आयलें सगळें की कायदो सगळ्यांक समान आसा.
इलेक्शनाच्या टायमार तांकां अरेस्ट केला,
कारण इलेक्शन हो प्रोसेस कसो आसा, गेले 9 समन्स धाडले आनी बरोबर तेंचो हायकोर्टान जेन्ना दिल्ली हायकोर्टान रिफ्यूज केलें तांकां प्रोटेक्शन दिवपाक, त्या वेळाचेरूच कारवाई केल्या. उठले आनी एक समन्स धाडलो आनी ताका हाडलो असो ना न्ही. सगळे हातूंतल्यान कायदेशीरपणान जे गोश्ट जाल्या आनी बरोबर त्या टायमार इलेक्शन, कारण इलेक्शन हे हेचें न्ही, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीक लागता. ED इलेक्शन लागना, तेची कारवाई जी आसा इज अ प्रोसेस, कंटिन्यू प्रोसेस.
After Kejriwal was produced in a Delhi court on Friday, lawyers from both sides presented their respective arguments. But they refused to talk more about it to the media.
Kejriwal, sir, I made allegations which are borne out from the record.
Okay.
So you've called him the kingpin of the entire scam. Does ED have the evidence to back it up?
Whatever evidence is there, they're given to the...
How do you respond?
What I have to say, I've said in court. I don't want to engage on cameras. Sorry, thanks a lot.
But again, sir,
Protests were also held by AAP activists in Delhi, Punjab and Mumbai against Kejriwal's arrest. Not only this, Congress and other leaders of India Alliance have also said that there was no need for Kejriwal's arrest. It is BJP's dictatorship. In particular, the Congress, which is in opposition in Delhi, has announced its full support to Kejriwal.
It is very clear that what is happening is violative of the spirit of democracy, which the Supreme Court has repeatedly affirmed is part of the basic structure of the Constitution, and therefore the court has every right to stop the government from taking any action that has a material effect on the elections. Short of an imminent law and order crisis like a riot about to break out, no government servant, no investigative agency has any right to interfere with the workings of democracy. This is fundamentally violative of the political rights of every Indian citizen.
You see, they have been sleeping for 10 years. So why could they initiate action against whatever the corruption case is charged? And is it necessary to arrest people? It is not necessary to arrest people. Arrest is a rare case. If they have got a charge, you put them on bail. They'll be available to you for any information that you want. You can take all the papers you already taken. Why arrest? Arrest is only there to stop Mr. Kejriwal from campaigning.
Only to take political vendetta against opposition parties. ED is become a weapon of the government. this issue of Kejriwal itself is showing that there are clear political vendetta against opposition parties and their leaders. We are not against any law enforcing agencies. Law will take its own course, but law cannot take only on BJP base.
Arvind Kejriwal is the first as a chief minister till date to be arrested. Although Kejriwal has been arrested, AAP leaders have made it clear that he will run the government from jail as chief minister. But political experts say that he will not be able to do so according to the jail rules. Delhi Excise Minister Manish Sisodia and AAP leader Sanjay Singh have already been arrested before Kejriwal in the alleged Delhi liquor scam. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
Watch on Herald TV.